Alright, so this is Alienware PC. This PC counts for servicing. Yeah, to be serviced. So I will open it up now and we are going to see inside how it is. Servicing, and aside from servicing, the person complained that the control button right here, this control button, is misbehaved. Sometimes you press it, sometimes it's pressed, sometimes not pressed. So that is about majorly servicing. Because this PC requires the cooling system to be fully functional, otherwise it will affect the performance. It will affect the CPU. Okay, first thing is to detach the battery. The battery still is swollen. Yeah, it's swollen. In the BIOS, I believe it should indicate that the battery is, for this battery can be good. Then it's going to indicate the battery is fair or the battery is bad. Although it's still working, though the capacity has reduced. No doubt, it must have reduced. One, two, this all of them are swollen, just at the degree of it. How should I put it? The way it is swollen, the degree of the swollen length. So is that right? Yeah, it's different. It's different. Okay, so the battery has been detached from the PC. Next, I want to do is to basically what servicing entails is like you lose out the heatsink, and most of the time the fan and the heatsink they are attached together. So for example, this is fan, cooling fan, double fan, and this is heatsink here in blue. And this will be the first time I've seen heatsink that is blue. I think, yeah, it was painted actually. It was. I often see black, or the one that is not black is going to remain copper that way. Yeah, it will remain copper that way. But as it is, oh, now this is Evo PC. Look at, it's black. Yeah, it's coated. You look at this. This is copper. Yeah, it's coated black. This is often common. But this one they use blue. Yeah. Okay. So I'm going to lose this out and service it. The thermal compound, clean off the CPU and the GPU, then replace the thermal paste. That is all. Yeah, very good. All right, fan. Yes, this one here. Then, yeah, you look at the date here. You see date. Yeah, this right here. You see the date. Is this one among the date too? It's part of this. Yeah, it seems so. Yeah, so much date. All right, and the thermal paste. Okay, now this will be replaced. What is this? Why? It seems someone added thermal paste here. We shouldn't be. No. This thermal paste are not made. It's only for the GPU and the CPU. Okay, not even up to this. It's just this die. Yeah, this die here. The surface area of this die is higher than this. Okay, so that is number one. Number two, all these are coils. Yeah, these are coils. To cool this coil is not a paste, but it's these thermal pads. They are called thermal pads. I see that this piece is, it appears to have been serviced before, but the person added paste here. But this is sign of paste here. See, yes, sign of paste. Which is totally wrong. It shouldn't be. All right, so that's one reason I'm going to clean up this, clean all of these. First, see dirt, see dust. Oh. Okay. All right. Are you oh, interesting, good. This is removable. Nice. Nice. So this one is serviceable. So I'm using this cotton wool to clean the dust inside it. Yes. Yeah, this edge, yeah. Yeah. This pole. Okay. Yeah. You know. So in service if the fan, there's something I often do. Okay, so I need to apply a little oil to heat the center so as to so as to give it a smooth movement. Yeah, yeah, something small like that. That's something small like that. So whatever the dust that has fallen inside the hole, yeah, it's much better now. All right. So this has finished successfully. Uh, okay, okay, okay. Yep, yep. See the difference between the two. Yeah, as the east is far from the west, so these two are different. Yeah, they are different. Okay, so this one is done. So while working, it's good to think and see, think what can you do in order to, you know, not to improve the situation. Okay, so next is I will still use this to clean off this so that this will not bend. You have to hold it. Yeah. One. Yeah. Don't scratch if there's a part that is very hard. Don't attempt to scratch it. Otherwise, it will affect the property of this because it is copper and copper is a very good conductor of heat. But once you scratch it, will affect the properties and affecting the property. That means it will affect the conductivity of the copper. Yeah. So that is done. Next is this. All right. Next is to clean off this. Okay, so it appears some wind, some air is escaping through here. Else I will look for something to block here. Yeah. All right. So this will certainly help. Yeah. So this way is going to stop the air that is escaping at the top. It's going to stop that. All right. So this button is behaving. Let's see what can happen. Oops. So are you working now? Control or delete? It seems it's working. Yeah, it's working now. Perfect. Yes. The control is working. Yeah. Perfect. 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 Yeah. That has been fixed. So soft. The service, this control button has been fixed. Yeah. The battery is not good, so the battery will be replaced. So that is it. So this is Alienware. Yeah. Yeah. Dell what? This is G7. That is Alienware. And that is how to service it actually. That is all. That's basically it. All right.